guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Crystal and thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, this is a Christmas decorate with me part 2. There will be a little bit of cleaning just because I did want to tidy up and clean off the space that I'm going to be setting the decorations on. So just in case you didn't get a chance to watch my part 1, or in case you would like to see part 1 just to see how everything just comes together, I will go ahead and either link it down below or just have it pop up on the screen up here somewhere.
No one cares about yesterday. Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week.
So originally these little snowmen were not going to be put on the dining table. However, once I just set it on there, I loved how it tied everything in together, so I did go ahead and leave those on there.
Difference this time is that ever since
This space before, I actually had the little white snowman and a little lantern with like 2 ornaments in there. However, I did end up rearranging a little bit of the stuff in the kitchen just because I did want the snowman to be on the same side as the Santa. Like I mentioned, I will go ahead and link the video just in case you want to see what it was like before. If you do check it out, let me know in the comments if you like the setup before or after.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
So long story short, I could not find a tree skirt anywhere that I 100% liked. I did have a gold and white tree skirt in mind. However, the ones I kept coming across had like a loud pattern. And anyways, we were over at my in-laws the other day and my mother-in-law mentioned that they weren't going to be putting up their Christmas tree this year. She pulled out this tree skirt and I fell in love with it. Like, this is exactly what I had in mind. It's perfect. So a huge shout out to her. She also gave us the ornaments that you'll see here in a little bit. And I believe she did get the skirt and the ornaments from Walmart.
Drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So here I am just taking random pieces of the same ribbon that I showed you guys in part 1. I didn't finish the Christmas tree in part 1 just because, like I had mentioned, we still needed to get a few more ornaments and I did need to put some more ribbon pieces on the side just because on the sides it did look a little naked. I didn't do the back of the tree just because I feel like nobody sees that.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.
I didn't realize that I was showing the back of the little snowman, but towards the end or at the end of the video, you'll actually see the ornament of what it looks like in the front.
Isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
So I didn't film whenever we had put the Christmas wreath up just because I was super excited whenever we got it. I love the colors and just think it's super cute. And as soon as we got it, I couldn't wait for my husband to hang it up.
La da da da, oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
I did want to show you guys our Christmas lights because I love how they turned out. They're so colorful and so festive. My daughter and I had actually kept bugging my husband to get these up, so huge thank you to him for that. And excuse our little Charlie Brown Christmas tree. I was actually debating on whether I should put some actual little ornaments on there, but I'm not sure. And that is actually all we'll be doing to the outside of the home for this year.
Comes up, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas that's gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down.
I know I showed you guys this in my part 1 video, however, it did not have any lights. And I had remembered that we had just, you know, a little simple string of lights somewhere in the house, and we ended up finding them, and I went ahead and put that through the garland, and I love how it looks. So I did want to show you guys this just because I didn't film whenever I had found the little lights. So that concludes my Christmas decorate with me. I hope you guys did enjoy it and were able to get some decorating inspiration and a little bit of cleaning motivation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I would love it if you would stick around, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.